Hi everyone, Tracy with Love to Crochet, and I am going to try to start doing my FOs every week. Just to let you know what I've been doing. I finished that a couple weeks ago. That's in the background. It's a hat. It's a slouch hat. Just a simple double crochet with back loop border right there. I actually think I did this. I did this front loop only all the way around. Gave it a nice little elongated and baggy, so it's a slouch hat. Look at that, it's covering her eye. There we go. There you go. Now you look beautiful. There we go. So that is a double crochet front loop only. I did it. Yeah, I did it. Did not do it in the round, so you don't see the circular. You actually see each individual round, and you can see right there where that's actually the bottom. There we go. Head it on upside down. Look at her. There you go. So I've done that. I made an infinity scarf. It is a V-stitch, as you can see. And I like to do my infinity scarves kind of long. So, you know, this way it's not too terribly, you know, troubling. And then you can just kind of get it so it's like that. Yeah. So, there's two things that I've done recently. I'm going to put her back so I don't mess her up really bad. And then I've been, for those of you that visit me on my lives, you'll know that I went to Harmony Jubilee Festival in Fitzgerald. I did pretty good, and I had several orders. Yay, thank you. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you. One lady saw my egg print. And asked if I could do one for a 3-year-old. And instead of having 12.5 eggs, she just wanted a half a dozen. So, and she wanted a cute little chicken applique. So I made this. There's the little baby chick. And I left its feet loose so they can flop. But I make the pockets deep enough. And this is my own design. I gathered it from several different projects that I've seen on the internet. These are not sewn on. The pockets are not sewn on. I create the pockets as I go. So, you know, one less thing to sew. I do single crochet and double crochet for the apron. The tie for the apron is actually Tunisian simple stitch, so it's very sturdy. It has a little bit of stretch, but it doesn't give a lot, and I don't have to worry about it going to come apart. So there's that one that I finished. There's the bag. I have a bag for it because this is an order. One of my vendor friends brought me yarn, and she's like, she likes my washcloths that I do. You can also use them for dishcloths if you want to. And she brought me yarn, and so I did some washcloths on commission for her. And I wound up with, she had these small cakes. They're about that big around and about that tall. That tall. Yeah, about 3 inches tall. And I got a lot out of it. I was very pleased with it. It felt like it was merchandise cotton, so she says she wasn't sure exactly what type of material. She knew it was cotton, but she wasn't sure exactly what type of cotton. But look at these colors. She had, this one was a little thicker, but she had a nice, it's not white, it's a little off-white. And then she had this really pretty lavender, which I absolutely love. And then she had a grayish color, It's gray. It's not off-white at all. It's gray. And then, I hope this color shows up. It is a teal. And it is beautiful. It pops. It's so saturated. I love this color. I would really like to get some of this and make a shirt out of it. It's just, it's so pretty. And it's really, really soft. I like it. I like it a lot. Yes, a lot. So I made all of these for her. And that's 2 orders. I have 3 other orders I have to fill. And, oh, I forgot something. Let me grab it. Do you remember the Wish yarn that I got? Here's one skein. These right here, these skeins. Well, I made an infinity scarf with one of them. I've got to sew in the ends. Ah, there's my ends. I know, my ends are showing. Watch out, right? And as you can see, I make my infinity scarf rather big. I like long and loopy. So you can tighten it up if you want to, or however you'd like to wear it. But I like it to be kind of, you know, just out and about kind of thing. I don't like anything right up against my throat. I love these colors. They're so pretty. There's a blue, a yellow, a pink, a tan, and a cream. So it turns out so good. And that little skein was this. I played Yarn Chicken, and look, y'all. I won. I won by that much. Oh, an arm length. Yes, that was a good day. I'm sure all of you can relate to Yarn Chicken. The last thing that I've been working on is a crochet along, and my husband loved sunrises and sunsets. And when I saw this pattern, I had to buy it. I didn't care how much it was. And I already had, it's Sunny Day, I believe. It's a colorway. It's out of, it's Lion Brand Cupcake, and it's a 3-weight. And I decided to use that. And the name of the crochet along, I think I told you, is First Sunrise. And I didn't. I know I didn't. It's called First Sunrise, and the designer is Beba Blanket. She's on Ravelry. It's BEBA BLANKET. She had broken it down into 3 different weeks, and I finished mine this week. And in the middle is a sun. So there's my Tim right there. And I've been wanting to do a mandala just because of all the textures. Look at all the textures in this. It turned out really, really beautiful. I am so pleased with how it looks. I did force change my colors in the beginning. I did 6 rounds with this yarn, 6 rounds with this color, 6 with that color, and then the white color I did to finish the circle. So I'm going to hold it up. I'm going to have to stand up and back up a little bit so you can see it all. So you can see where the white is. That's the end of the circle. And that's where I ended my forced color change. After that, the colors changed as they came to it. It turned out so beautiful. Right here is actually the end of the pattern. I did another row, a couple rows to give it that last extra little zigzag design right here. And then I did front post and back post. I'm trying to make sure you can see it. Front post and back post 4 times, 4 rounds, except for in the corners. I did my 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and then I did my front, back, and I made sure my front post landed where my texture was, so it continued that line. And I think it still gives the illusion of the sun rays going out from the center. I hope you can see that. So pleased. You know, and I love it. It's not too heavy. I have it on my chair where I like to sit. So, and it's just big enough to throw across my lap and keep my legs warm if they get a little cool. And yeah, that's all I've worked on this week. It's been a busy week. I've been getting those orders done, of course. I have a couple more orders left to do from the other week that I've got to do. I'm also super excited because there is a store in Tifton, which is 30 minutes from me, called Little Hippie Chick, and she is now carrying some of my bath product line. Yay! So happy, so happy, so happy. So she literally took all my washcloths and all my facial scrubs. So now in between orders, I'm trying to begin restocking my washcloths and my facial scrubs. So for those of you that haven't ever seen them, well, you saw my washcloths right there. That same design. I use the Peaches and Cream or 100%. I'll go to Hobby Lobby. They have a different brand. I can't remember it off the top of my head. You can get Peaches and Cream at Walmart and Joann's. And there's so many beautiful colors. So I do washcloths, facial scrubs, soap holders, which is like a little satchel. And you just, tie it up so your soap don't fall out on you. I do loofahs and I do back scrubbers. And it's all 100% cotton, so one of those, throw it in the washing machine, wash it, and dry it with your towels kind of deal. And you don't have to worry about it. It's not like, oh, you have to watch how you wash this and make sure you do it like this. And, easy. Love it. Thank you. Kind of thing. So that is what I've been working on this week. I'm looking around making sure there's nothing else I need to show you. I don't see anything. So, hopefully I remember to start doing this every week so you can see what I've been working on during the week. It's going to be kind of boring because I've got, I have to make some water balloons and some F-bombs for one order, and then I have 2 orders for floppy hats. So, once I get all those orders, I'm open, people, so I'm taking orders for Christmas already. Yeah, because it takes a while to create. But I love it. I absolutely love it. Alright, well, that's it. Hey, in under 15 minutes. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell if you'd like to receive a notification. Sometimes YouTube falls down on it, so check that periodically. Share across social media if you'd like. I appreciate all the support I get. I try to give it as well. And until next time, peace, love, flowers. Bye, everyone.